What's up, fam? It's your boy Dad Hat, back at it again with another charity unboxing. Guys, we are doing a charity drive for bulk cards from MetaZoo. We're trying to make 500 decks, all playable for kids in children's hospitals all across the U.S. now. We have one in Richmond, Virginia. We have one in Virginia Beach, Virginia. We have contacts in Austin, Texas that want to be a part of this. So, guys, please, 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 hit that like button, subscribe, whatever. I don't know. I don't do this YouTube thing. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, guys, yeah, so let's get into it. This is a big one, guys. All this comes from Warwick 1987, and let me tell you, super generous. Let me show you exactly what he sent over. So first off, boom, a little thing of cards here. Let's crack it open. Why not? Guys, even like stuff like this is massive. Looks like tears ores, a bunch of CN2 stuff, right? CN2, yep, all CN2 bulk, good stuff. Is that okay? Yeah, good stuff there. Right, he sent over this thing. I'm gonna leave this for last though. I've already opened it, but this is full of bulk. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all full of bulk. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 boxes, guys, all full of bulk. In fact, this one even, there's even some extra goodies in here. Like, this one has some actual sealed packs. Looks like 6 seance packs, completely sealed, from BR Dabman. So thank you, BR Dabman, for the 6 sealed packs. We're going to make sure those go to some kiddos. Awesome stuff. Yeah, 14 booster boxes full of bulk, plus the little thing. This is the little thing of cards that he just wasn't able to fit into 14 booster boxes. And then the mystery pack. But let's go through these, see what else we can find in here, alright? So we already saw in this one, there's little treasures hidden in all of these, guys, because it's not just like regular bulk. This is regular bulk here, but it's not just regular bulk. Like, that one has the 6 packs. Warwick sent over a lot of hollows, guys. Like, so many hollows. Like, here we go. Say this is another box, just full of bulk, but there's little tidbits like this of just hollows and reverse hollows. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that nuts? Isn't that nuts? That's a full hollow right there. Hold on. I think I saw something in here. Where'd it go? But yeah, crazy. There we go. Like, that's a full hollow seafood barbecue, guys. Like, super generous. I can't even, like, express how grateful I am for this. Like, there's got to be hundreds. Oh my god, is that a full hollow? Full hollow Cumberland Dragon. Hateful Demise full hollow. Should be Bigfoot full hollow. 2 of them, 3 of them. This is nuts. This is totally nuts. So thank you so much, Warwick. 1987. These are more, guys. These are more reverse hollows. Right there, and then some that are sleeved. I guess those are, yeah, these are full hollows back here. Guys, there's a stone man, a full hollow stone man just chilling in there. Another full hollow Cumberland Dragon. Like, this is nuts. What the heck, man? This is so crazy. There's so much. They're all mixed in. So, like, this is a seance box, but it has more wilderness in it. And I mean, more hollows. Like, look at this. Look at this. Dragon of Akanto. That's one of my favorites. Or sorry, Iowa Dragon. My bad. One of my favorites. I'm just so stunned right now. This is insane. That is this more hollows? I think the sleeved ones are hollows, right? Yeah, and then some reverse hollows. But guys, this is the most generous thing ever. And this is definitely something that we need. I don't even know like how many sets we'll be able to get from this, but like I said, we're going for 500 playable sets. See what's in here. This is just a lot more bulk, and there's so many goodies mixed in. The rares are here. Lightning in a bottle right there. You know how playable that is. This is CN2. Looks like I see some Seance here, some Wilderness there. But yeah, I don't even know how many decks I'll be able to build from all this. But 14 booster boxes worth of cards. Like, that's insane. So many. Here's some more that are sealed. Looks like this might be an Aura deck. An Aura brick. No, this is just more bulk. More a little bit of everything. Looks like it's from Seance. That's craziness. There's some more CN2 in here. So crazy. So that's what, 5 boxes I've gone through right there. I'm not even halfway through, guys. Holy crap. Some Seance reverse hollows now. Like, okay, that's a good one. Look at this. Look at this. That's insane. Bro, too generous. Too generous. Like, I'm glad this is all going to kids. I promise every single one of these cards is going to kids. Another box. Another baggie. This looks like Seance in here. Yeah, more Seance bulk. There's some more Wilderness bulk in here. Like, that is the 7th one halfway through. I'm just blown away. This is more bulk. Looks like a bunch of CN2. Like, they're all filled to the top, guys. Totally crazy. It's more bulk. Trying to see if there's anything else hiding. Here we go. Here's some more hollows. But yeah, like, guys, like with this many hollows, like there's probably, what, a couple hundred hollows here? If we can make it to where every kid gets at least one hollow in their deck, like that'd be insane. That'd be awesome. Guys, no way. No way, bro. He's in a Mishi. He's in a Mishi Peshu. That's crazy. Warwick, you are insane. Insanely generous. I cannot get over how generous you are with this. Like, this is so crazy. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna definitely need help building decks and having deck ideas. These are more reverse hollows. And some more full hollows there. That's totally insane. More hollows. I really think that we should try and get at least one hollow or reverse hollow to every kid in their decks. So we can definitely make that happen with packages like this. This is craziness. There's one random reverse hollow in this box, but it looks like the rest is bulk. Bulk is good. I'm gonna have a time sorting this. More bulk, but guys, yeah, look. The rare cards are included. The Dragon's Rise right there. Boom. From UFO. That's awesome. In the UFO box. 2 more boxes to go. Another stack. A lot more bulk. Looks like this is mostly Wilderness in here in the Wilderness box. Makes sense. Let's see what's in this one. More bulk. Looks like a bunch of CN2, Wilderness, Seance. Yeah. So that's the 14th box, guys. Let me look at this last little thing of sleeved hollows, reverse hollows. Yeah. These are Seance. Reverse hollows, guys. Like, bro, you're not messing around. You're like, yep, I got my master set. That's all I need. Ooh, there's some full hollows in here. From Wilderness, another Cumberland Dragon full hollow. No way, bro. Another Wild 7. Another one. We have the awful. Bro. Too generous. Too generous. Seriously. I am floored right now by how generous this is. Warwick, thank you so much. I appreciate it. The kids, I hope, will appreciate it. We're gonna teach them how to play. I think they'll enjoy it. I love the game. Some of the guys that are helping me, like Tormentic and Mortal Workshop, they're fantastic. They love the game also, and we just want to make a fun, playable thing for these kids. So yeah, then see, this is what's in the green pack. It is a stack of Cumberland Dragon sealed promos. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 Cumberland Dragon promos. Bro, that's insane. Like, I know I keep saying that, but it really is. It's crazy how much you care, how much you're willing to just give away like this. Thank you so much. Guys, if there's anybody out there that wants to help support this cause, whether that's by donating cards or building decks or going to different children's hospitals to help teach these kids how to play and pass out these decks, send me a DM on Discord, guys. Dad Hat, I think it's 2230 is my number, whatever. I don't know, but find me in Discord. I'm in like all the MetaZoo Discord, so chances are if you start typing my name, I'll pop up. But yeah, also I have my image right here somewhere that gives all the information of what we're looking for. We're trying to make these deck sets. Last video we had Hassbar who sent like utility things, like gave us like the status indicators, rule books, play mats. Those things are great. We also need dice, coins, guys. Those are the kind of things that we need for this. And yeah, so we definitely have a great start. We're going to be doing this until the end of the year. We're going to be collecting all this stuff, building the decks. And then in January, we're going out to hand them out. So definitely keep checking back for updates. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Because, I mean, let's do it. let's get these decks to kids, all right? All right. Love you, fam. You're awesome. Stay awesome. Peace.